Today's video is a tour sponsored by me to my little vegetable garden. I don't know if it would be, apt to say it is indeed a vegetable garden. It was kind of a container gardening. It may not look like a proper garden per se, but yeah, this is my small vegetable garden. I didn't plant much this year. This is from summer actually. So it was kind of a trial and an experimental gardening type. Thing is, I love farming, love farming, but I don't have much knowledge about it as well. I just have the basic knowledge, but luckily we get a good quality of soil called Miracle Grow. So just like the name Miracle Grow, whatever is planted with this soil, the plants grow back for sure. But I didn't plant much. So these are my plant kits actually. I always tell my daughter, like, these are your siblings, your little plant sis, and we have to take care of them. But all I did was just watering them, and it was their unconditional love that they gave me enough vegetable for my family actually. And most importantly, I wanted to teach my daughter to plant life, trees in future like this, and also to appreciate farmers, farming, plants. So that was one of my small objective behind this, and she did help me a lot, you will see. So meet my plant kits. This time I got a few bitter gourds, lady's finger, long runner beans, and pumpkin, the highlight of this year's farming. This leaf is called Bringraj, Kayundi in Malayalam. It is a great herb for hair growth. So I didn't plant it. It somehow grew by itself. I have no clue about it actually. Maybe God is trying to say, like, it's time to take care of my hair actually. So I'll be also making a homemade hair oil that I use every day.
മക്കളെ എന്നാ ഇത് പിടിച്ചോണ്ടിരിക്ക മക്കളെ ഇത് പിടിച്ചോ മക്കളുടെ കൊട്ട പിടിക്കും മക്കളെ. മക്കളെ പൊന്നു Devati, do you support organic farming? Devati, no! Don't do that. Devati, do you support organic farming? Farming. Devati. Hello, madam. What is okay? Pumpkin, Amani, pumpkin. Pumpkin. Orange alla, pumpkin. രണ്ട് pumpkin.
So this is my first harvest. I got a few long runner beans, a few bitter gourds, lady's finger, and 2 pumpkin, and I'm going to fix a meal with all these veggies. So first I'm going to make a vegetable stir fry. So for that I have chopped bitter gourd, long runner beans, little onion, and a few green chilies. So I'm going to splatter a few mustard seeds in coconut oil to give it a Kerala taste, and then I'm going to add a few broken coconut slices as well and saute it on low flame. Then I'm going to add all the chopped vegetables, saute well, and I'm going to add then little water in the center and bring them all together to the center and cover it until everything gets cooked. Then I'm going to remove the lid, add in the turmeric powder, chili powder, mix well, add little oil, saute everything well, then add salt to taste and saute well. That's it, my first recipe, vegetable stir fry, is ready to serve. Next is a Kerala style pumpkin curry. So for that I have cleaned, peeled and chopped the pumpkins into small pieces, and I'm going to pressure cooker it with little green gram, turmeric powder and enough water for 3 to 4 whistles, or until the green gram is well cooked. Then I'm going to put off the flame and remove the lid, the pressure cooker lid carefully. And then I'm going to make a ground smooth paste of coconut, little cumin seeds, garlic pods, shallot and a few green chilies, and add this to the cooked pumpkin and stir well. And my last recipe is Vendekya Pachadi. It's a Kerala style lady's finger curry. So for that I have chopped the lady's finger, shallots, a few green chilies and a few curry leaves. So first of all I'm going to splatter some mustard seeds in coconut oil for a Kerala taste, and then add in all these chopped veggies, lady's finger, shallot, green chilies and curry leaves, and saute. I'm going to add broken red chili and a little turmeric powder, and I'm going to saute it until the lady's finger is well cooked. Going to crush some mustard seeds, and I'm going to beat some yogurt and mix them together, mustard seed and the yogurt, and then I'm going to pour it over the cooked lady's finger. Add salt to taste, mix well, and I'm going to let it simmer for like 1 minute without boiling it, and that's it, my Vendekya Pachadi is also ready. So here are my 3 Kerala special food items. See, nothing makes me more happier than cooking food from plants from my own vegetable garden. I really can't stop smiling, and after a day's hard work, the little farmer is all set to dig in the hard-earned food. time to make my simple, very quick homemade hair oil. So for that I'm going to boil some coconut oil in this kadhai, and I'm going to put little fenugreek seeds on lower flame, and then I'm going to add curry leaves, little curry leaves, and all my bringraj leaves into it, and boil it until these leaves they turn dark, and then I will put off the flame, and that's it. My homemade super quick hair oil is ready. Actually, I love this oil. It's been months now, and I can feel like my hair has become little thicker and longer as well. So yeah, I'm happy about it as well.